When installing Sonex panels using the acouSTIC brand adhesive, make certain that substrate surfaces to which panels will be applied are smooth, clean, and level, free of dust, dirt, and other residues or contaminants which could inhibit a strong bond to develop. Cut adhesive tube tips back to produce a bead flow of a 1/4 inch diameter. Run a continuous bead of adhesive around the panel's perimeter, approximately 1.5 inches from edges. Then apply intermittent beads from opposite corners through the center of the panel, creating an X. Press panels firmly into place and smooth evenly across them to ensure a strong, lasting bond. Adhesive tack should be immediate.